Good morning all. I am going to do my sustainability Sunday today because my cleaning bottle of multi-purpose cleaner has run out, and so I'm going to try something new which a dear friend has sent me. So this is called Clean Living. It's a company which my friend Vicky is working for, and it's one which I've agreed to feature on Sustainability Sunday for her. And the wonderful thing about all their products is that it's next level refillable cleaning because it uses probiotics, and I'll post all the links below to sort of detail what that's all about. But fundamentally, using probiotics to help you clean means that number one, you're using a much more natural product, and number two, it carries on cleaning in between cleans because it's constantly breaking down that bacteria, because that's what probiotics do. So to me, that is entirely the way forward and something which should be implemented into the mainstream. So I was thrilled when Vicky sent me a sample kit through to give a go. I'll also link her catalogue below so you can check out and see if there's any products you like on there. But there's a number of different things that she's sent me. So eco laundry strips is one of them. This is also a returns envelope to send back packages which I have used, and then they deal with the recycling, which is great because actually the packages which these come in are plastic. But the thing is, if a company wraps in plastic but then provides free postage to send it back to them, I'm good with that because there is specialist ways to deal with recycling. It's just not often available mainstream from your door. But if companies are taking responsibility for that, then really good on them for that. So this one here, is biological odour and spot remover. So this is kind of like, she described it to me as being like a sort of Vanish product and Febreze product in one, but a natural one. So you basically put it in a spray bottle and then you dissolve it, and you can spray it right on your laundry to both remove stains and make it smell lovely. So I'm looking forward to trying that one. She's also sent me the biological bathroom cleaner here. Actually, let me just read the back of each one. So you've got the Living Clean Biological Odour and Spot Remover, an effective multi-use product that deals with a variety of unwanted odours and marks on fabric. Directions for use: tear foil at indicated notch and pour contents directly into a 300 milliliter aluminium container. So my bottles are actually 500 ml, I think. So what I'll do when I do fill these up is I'll do it in a measuring jug and then pour it in. Fill with tap water to where the bottle neck starts to curve, attach the trigger spray and shake well. So I'll do it in a measuring jug because I'm using my existing refillable containers here. So biological multi-purpose cleaner, so I think that's probably the one. I know I've got a kitchen cleaner as well, but I might use this one first actually. Biological multi-purpose cleaner, so a powerful and versatile biological cleaning solution capable of the deepest clean across a wide variety of hard surfaces. So the same thing applies, it's just fill it up to the 300 ml mark and give it a good shake once you have. And then I've got Similar thing, kitchen cleaner with degreaser, heavy duty yet safe, effective, non-toxic cleaning formation, targets grease, grime and odours to effectively clean your kitchen. And then I've got bathroom cleaner, gentle probiotic formulation, works across all bathroom surfaces, and it removes build-up and eliminates unpleasant odours to keep surfaces clean and hygienic for longer. Else have I got here? Ooh, I've got washing up powder sachets as well. So again, it's one sachet for 300 mils. So that seems to be the standard size package which they do for these. But she's actually included 3 refills there, so that's good as well. So I will use that. So basically, I'm going to gradually put these all into my things as my current stuff runs out. So I'm not going to obviously chuck my current stuff, because that's not the eco thing. It's use up what you have first and then try something new. So I think that's an important part of the process too. And finally, I have Eco Oxy-Action tablets. What are these for? For use in washing machines to brighten your clothes with natural ingredients. Yeah. Oh, interesting. So these are tablets. So I'll give that a go as well. So I'm excited to try all these different products out. I'll show you the process for filling this up just now. Right, so we're going to use a biological multi-purpose cleaner here. I've got a standard measuring jug, tinfoil indicator notch, and put it into 300 ml container. So what I'm going to do is get that off, pour it in, and then take it and fill it up at the sink. Okay. Come with me and you'll see. And let's up to 300 ml, and then pour it into my bottle. Make sure I get all the goodness in there. Yeah, so it's filled up the most of that bottle, and it smells lovely as well. So I'm going to give that a shake, and then I'm ready to clean. I've got to say, even difficult spots are coming up so easily just after leaving it a couple of seconds to clean. And I love the idea that I'm using a natural thing to help it clean in between cleans. I think that's brilliant. Yep, super duper.